This is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. So excited to be here at ISE 2023 and especially excited to be at the Epson booth, joined by Graeme Davidson, who is Business Unit Director for Epson Projectors. Thank you so much, Graeme, for being here with me today and giving me a little tour.
No problem at all, thank you. Thank you very much for doing this. So, shall we start?
Yeah, let's get right into it.
Okay, well, this is the PQ2000 series. So 4K resolution, up to 20,000 lumens. And we're bringing this to market because we're seeing a much greater demand now for 4K resolution, whether that's in the corporate workplace, universities, for example, but also quite predominantly in visitor attractions, theme parks, etc., museums, where the demand for great quality images is really starting to grow.
And where the 4K specification means a lot.
Yeah, for sure. Image quality, image sharpness, etc., is really what customers want. So, we're always a great believer in we bring the product and bring the technology to market when the market is ready for it. And we feel that now is the time. We're getting towards that moment where 4K really will start to kind of snowball and become maybe this kind of more standard resolution.
So tell me about this dazzling installation right here.
So this is an example of what projection really excels at. So it's a kind of a mapping, really creative, vibrant display. And it's something that projection can do better than really any other technology, because we can project onto different surfaces, different irregular shapes, that type of thing. And as you'll be fully aware, projection is really taking off in that direction. Our mapping is really popular in visitor attractions, doing very creative, kind of almost like random shapes and designs. So is really popular now. So we wanted to demonstrate that capability with our PU2000 series here. We've got 6 projectors here working in a huge blend to give us this overall amazing display.
And projection mapping, I know, is something that, when people talk about the value proposition of projection, what it can do that no one else can do, projection mapping is the answer. And this goes to show exactly what projection can achieve.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we're very pleased with it. And it's really a core strategic direction for us to be, let's say, the #1 brand in the kind of visitor attraction, experiential world, as we go forward, and we're able to do it with the PU2000 series.
Well, we talk about attraction, you talk about experiential, that is it.
Absolutely. What we have here is a brand new product concept for us. It's a super short throw projector. So we've had ultra short throw for almost as long as I can remember, but for a long time now. But we've taken it to another level now where we have a throw distance of 0.16 to 1. And with this product, what we can achieve is up to 150-inch screen size, but also, really importantly, we can do this from a really short distance. So to put it into context, 100-inch image we can get from around about 10 centimeters from the screen, so 3 inches. So what it means is the technology is really non-intrusive.
That's such an important factor these days, isn't it? The aesthetic, not wanting to impede the aesthetic, because the experience is a holistic thing. It's not just the technology experience, it's the in-room experience, it's being part of this ecosystem, and having that, the lack of obtrusiveness. Is that one of the most critical factors?
It is for us because, we often get feedback that, customers want basically invisible technology. And that applies both to the meeting room space, boardrooms, etc., but also, as I keep talking about, visitor attractions, in particular museums. So museum designers, they want to have really interesting, exciting exhibits, but they don't want to see the technology. They want their visitors to be able to be saying, oh, what's this funny box here? So they're able, with this product, the EB810E, they're able to hide that away and just have an aperture for the projection beam to display an image or to map onto something. And so the technology truly is invisible at that point. And it suits the needs of museum designers and so on perfectly.
Yeah, the technology isn't the end in itself. The technology is the facilitator of the experience.
Absolutely, you hit the nail on the head with that.
This is one of the most stunning immersive environments I've seen anywhere on the show floor. Tell me a little bit about it.
The aim is really to show again the flexibility of projection. We've got 11 projectors in here, creating this amazing experience using content that's been used for real exhibitions as well. And what amazes me is that the team that put this together, they were able to set all of this up, get all these projectors set up, mapped, and so on within 2 days. And this is where projection really comes into it. So we can create this. We've got different surfaces, throw distances, and so on. But we can create this amazing experience where visitors really feel part of the exhibit, as it were.
So as we round out and close out our Epson tour here at ISE 2023, we see some technologies here that I think integrators are going to find really compelling, deliver solutions for their clients while making their lives easier in terms of delivering the solution.
Absolutely. Certainly with HDBaseT, the flexibility that it gives us and our partners in terms of doing installations where, of course, cable runs, etc., are very difficult in certain environments. It just simplifies things by one cable doing everything. Its simplification is key to all of these things. Whether it's a boardroom installation or a very advanced, huge mapping experience, immersive experience, all these things, simplicity is the key, and HDBaseT gives us that.
Thank you so much, Graeme. I really, really appreciate the opportunity to tour the booth, to get some of your expertise, and for you to share what you at Epson are excited about and what we, in turn, in the industry are excited about.
Well, thank you also to you, because as you say, we are really excited about this. We've got some great new products, and having this opportunity is fantastic for us, so thank you very much.
Really appreciate the tour.